Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to reset your PC on Windows 11. For this, go to Start, then click on Settings. After that, from the left hand menu, go to System. Now scroll down and go to this recovery option here. Click on this, and from recovery option you will see reset this PC option. Click on this. After that you will see two options, keep my files and remove everything. Our goal is to start a fresh like a new PC. For this I am going to choose remove everything. Now it will show you this window how you want to reinstall your Windows from cloud and locally install. I will recommend you to use cloud download. It will get you the latest version of Windows. So click on this, and it will show you the additional settings. You can change it from here. We don't need it as we are going to get a new fresh Windows install. So click on next, and it will get you to the reset PC option. Here is it. Now what resetting will do: remove all the personal files and user accounts on this PC, remove any changes made to settings, remove all apps and programs, download and install Windows. So make sure you have the right data for this to download. And now click on reset, and your PC will be reset to a new one. So that's it guys. If this will help you, please don't forget to give it a like, and thanks for watching.